Coming from someone that suffers from pretty severe seasonal and actually just annual year-round allergies, this Levoit brand air purifier has absolutely changed my life. It has made sleeping a lot easier for me. I'm not up throughout the night sniffling and sneezing and trying to sniff up just dirt, mucus, who knows what, just because we have 5 different dogs in this house and the puppy right now is currently sleeping in our room. So the smell isn't always great, and at nighttime I've always had a lot of trouble breathing. But after using this air purifier and putting it in our room, that's completely changed. A couple days ago, the filters went out, and I had extra filters on hand to replace. I just had them in the basement and just was being lazy replacing them. And I woke up this morning and I literally could not breathe. And I was like, oh my God, I've got to put these things in here immediately so I can breathe right again, because the room smelled horrible. Again, we have the puppy in here. And now that I've got the filters, new filters put in and taken out those, gross used filters, completely different. And the smell and the quality of the air here in the room, I can't say enough good things about it. These 2 disgusting air filters were located in our Levoit air purifier here in our primary bedroom. We do have 5 dogs, like I mentioned, and we do have a puppy sleeping in the kennel here in the room currently. This is only after 3 months of use, and this is what all it trapped and caught just from our bedroom. Wow, I'm so thankful that I did not breathe in all of this nasty stuff and it's not in my body.